Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. How much percent above the cost price should have shopkeeper mark his goods? So that after allowing a discount of 25% on his market price, he gains 20%. So let's see the solution. Let the cost price be 100. We say cost price be 100. Gain required is 20%. So selling price is 100 plus 20 is 120 rupees selling price. Let the market price be X. We say X. So then discount is equal to 25%. Discount is 25%. So 25% of X rupees. So 25% means by 100. 25 by 100 into X. So here 5 4s 25 cancels in 100 in 4 times. 1 by 4. So 1 into X, X by 4. Next. Therefore, selling price is equal to market price minus discount. MP means market price is minus discount. So market price is, we say X market price. So X minus selling price. Discount is X by 4. So X by 4. That implies you find the LCM of 4. 4 into X, 4X minus X. 4X minus X is 3X by 4. Therefore, 3X by 4 is equal to 120 rupees. So X is equal to 120 into here 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 is change to equal to right hand side, left hand side, then reciprocal of the fraction. So 4 by 3. Here 3 will cancels in 120 in 40 times. 40 times. So 40 into 4. 44 is 160 rupees. Market price is 160. Hence the market price is 60% above the market price. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.